After the rain, it's time for puddle jumping. Will Riko and Max splash in the puddles together? Riko looked out and smiled. "Look at all the puddles," said Riko. Max ran over with rain boots on. "Let's jump," said Max. Max gave one big jump. Splash! Water flew everywhere. "So much fun," said Max. Riko stepped back from the puddle. "I don't want to get wet," said Riko. "My fur will be all wet." Riko watched Max jump again. Splash, splash! Max was wet and happy. "Come on, Riko," said Max. "Jumping in puddles is so much fun." Max reached out a paw. "We can splash together." Riko took one small step closer. Riko gave one little jump. A tiny splash went up. The cool water tickled Riko's toes. Riko giggled. "That was fun," said Riko. Being a little wet felt okay. Riko and Max jumped in the big puddle. Splash, splash, splash! Water flew up high. Riko jumped high, and Max jumped higher. Both got wet from head to toe. "This is the best," said Riko. "A puddle is small, but the fun is big," said Nana. "Jump with a friend, and joy will splash all around." Riko shook off the water and laughed. Being wet was part of the fun. Max smiled at Riko. "Let's jump again," said Max. Splash! Do you like to jump in puddles? Show me your biggest splash. See you next time in Sunny Forest.
Riko world, come and play with us today. Riko, Max, and Nana too in Riko world, hooray!